Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is Friday, day off ko. Day off ko sana bukas guys, but then again, nag-exchange. So, day off ko ngayon, bukas na ako mag-work. So, yun. And today is, anong araw? Did I just said what araw? Ganito talaga guys, pag wala pang kain. So, August 19, Friday, 11:31 ng umaga. So, ano kami, papunta kaming Copenhagen because it's our day off, so something has to happen today. So, punta kaming Copenhagen and we're gonna look for the wallpapers. Let's see kung may makikita pa kaming maganda. And then, what's next? Kakain pa pala muna kami. So, we're thinking maybe refen or maybe some kind of Indian food, but let's see kung saan kami mapupunta. Right now we're just hungry and we're just starting our day. Actually, ang aga gumising ni Martin today, 7 in the morning, and I also I woke up like around 9:30. Pero alam nyo na, ang bilis ng oras, upo-upo lang kami doon. Yeah, and today is not so warm. I actually think it's gonna rain today. And somehow it's nice because I think the nature needs it. Right? Right now?
Oh my gosh.
No, the nature needs it because it's been so warm for weeks now. So today it's not so warm, so it's a happy day. Hindi natin kailangang magtago.
Look at that one. That's nice.
Yeah. Van life.
We forgot all about van life, huh?
Yeah. Should we do that? Next year, maybe. So, nasa city na kami, guys. Pero 19 minutes pa papuntang Refen. So, medyo malayo-layo pang ano ito? Travel, charring, arrange. Ganda talaga ng mga buildings dito. Like you can see the history. Buildings there and then plants here.
Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits who broke the rules, who feared the boredom more than scorn or ridicule.
Ito yung order ko. Ayan, si Martin is yan lang.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up.
Try natin yung parang first bite. First bite daw.
Sarap.
Grabe guys, ang sarap. As in, first time kong makatikim ng ganito. Yung rice, ang sarap. Ito ay, kita ba? Ano siya? Eggplant. Tapos yung meat niya, as in super tender. Ito ata yung paborito ko dito sa Refen. Afghanistan food.
Spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift.
Grabe ang sarap niya, oy. Promise.
A sticky summer's day day in Shepherdstown. And Eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound.
Okay po. Well guys, tapos na kaming kumain guys. Uwi na tayo. Actually hindi. Punta pa tayo ng shop. Tapos tingin tayo doon. Busog na siya. Busog na ako. So tingin na tayo ng ano, ang tawag nun? Wallpaper. Wallpaper.
Kind of cool.
Again? Again?
Nope.
Bala ka.
It was a one-off.
Ulan, ulan, ulan. It's fine.